How to check if Vine Thermostat is compatible with your current HVAC system. Please select the thermostat model you have bought or want to buy. At the Compatibility Checker main screen, tap Get Started. Then power off your HVAC system and remove the cover from your thermostat. Here are some signs that you may have a high voltage system in your home. Please check if there's any indication as above. If yes, Vine Thermostat is incompatible with your HVAC system. If not, proceed to the next step. Look at your thermostat's base. After removing the cover of your old thermostat, select each wire connected to the thermostat. Does your terminal block have a C wire? If no, but there's a C wire on your wall plate. Congratulations! Your system is compatible with Vine Thermostat. If you do not have the C wire, check with the HVAC manufacturer or an electrical engineer. To learn more, see our Thermostat Help Center.